A man tracked down in Arizona 2 weeks after leaving Vegas, not knowing that he had hit a $229,000 slot machine jackpot. So how do you not know? You just walk away before it's all...
So there was an error in the machine that didn't announce that he won or they won. And people say it's collusion with Las Vegas casinos.
Oh, people say... That's like when you said there were reports. Nevada gambling regulators say their investigation tracked down an Arizona man who left Las Vegas after a visit last month, not knowing he'd won $229,000. The machine being played by Robert Taylor malfunctioned due to a communication error. Oh, how convenient.
Yeah.
And neither he nor the Treasure Island Hotel and Casino realized that he'd won a progressive jackpot the evening of January 8th. The Nevada Gaming Control Board said Friday in a statement. The jackpot was confirmed later after a review, but Taylor had returned to Arizona by then, and the casino was unable to identify him. Can you imagine? Wow.
Cameras all over the place.
Yeah,
They were unable to identify him
that's right.
to give him the jackpot?
Convenient.
It's like, we'll just keep it.
Isn't it, Mo? They know who everyone is.
If he cheated, how quickly would they have caught
They
him?
identify him immediately. He'd be in the back room over there.
Yeah.
You saw the movies, Mo.
Yeah.
It's exactly how everything happens.
It's like Danny Ocean.
The movies actually, that's reality, not this. What we're doing,
Yeah.
that's the real thing. Well, anyway, they found him, and I guess they gave him. So I guess the commission is doing their job, at least investigating, or
Yeah.
either that or maybe they get a piece of the 229. I don't know. The board said it began an investigation, eventually identified Taylor after 2 weeks of checking surveillance, conducting witness interviews, studying electronic purchase records. Wow.
Yeah,
they really went above and beyond here for this guy. Why do I feel like it wouldn't be the same case for everybody? But maybe that's just how serious they take it, cracking down. But I guess you have to have some sort of commission like that. Otherwise, who's watching the casinos? And whatever squirrely things can take place. But even with all this, the game is still rigged. They're still fine.
Yeah.
Right? Vast majority of people lose. So I don't think they're crying about this 229.
Yeah. Congrats.
Yeah, congrats to the Arizona man.